Well, hello, ladies and gents. Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com, coming back at you with a vlog. We're doing a vlog this weekend. We got a lot going on. We're at the gym right now. Raiji's supervising. I'm about to do squats. Crystal's looking like she's about to do some tricep extensions. Straight arm lat pull down. Full disclosure, transparent, honest moment here, y'all. Crystal and I have been pissy the last 24 hours. We've been like at each other's throats. She probably thinks it's because I'm low on calories.
But I never said that. I think it's just because he's a jerk.
Realistically, we're probably both still sleep deprived from KetoCon because we're getting old. 31 years old. You're not quite 31, but you'll be 31 a little bit. So we're just getting old, y'all. We can't do as well on little sleep. It's been a week since KetoCon and we're still catching up from KetoCon. So we got a lot going on this weekend. We're going to work out now. We're going to build a chicken coop. We're going to plant our garden. We're going to change the oil in the truck, mow the yard, go grocery shopping, all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned for the weekly vlog.
Wow, those shorts though.
I'm in the Jort Club. Shout out to Kevo. He got me a pair of jorts so I can be cool like Kim and Greg. So
I'm trying to get your butt. Would you move?
Oh.
What do you think, Rigel?
The Jort test right here. If I can do my 315 for super deep squat reps, they pass the test. So let's give it a shot.
Okay, those guys are just so cute when they're on the mower together. Rigel absolutely loves it. Like, he gets so excited about going on the mower with Robert. It's so cute. I am going to go to town. Rigel is 11 months old, and I have only gone to town one time by myself. So I'm going to go to town, and I'm going to go grocery shopping. I'm going to buy myself a coffee and go grocery shopping, and I'm also stopping by Lowe's to get Robert a saw. But I'm excited to kind of have like some time to myself. It'll be really good. I'm looking forward to it. So I'm going to go run and do all that while they mow the yard. And then we'll get back to, we have a whole bunch of different things that we need to get done this weekend. It's already 2 o'clock. So here we go. All right, guys. Just got back from the stinking grocery store. And every week that I go, I am like so disappointed how much money I spend, and this week was absolutely ridiculous. Would you like to say hi? He would like to say how ridiculous the groceries were also. So, I just spent a ridiculous amount of money, and this is like, I got 4 bags of groceries. 4, just 4. I've got some heavy cream, some mackerel, some cottage cheese, some ground beef, some bacon, just the normal life things, nothing crazy. I got a couple of little drinks for Robert, and I got like some almond flour, which I normally don't buy those things, but it was like maybe an additional $15. But anyways, the entire ride home, I am talking to my sister-in-law about how we can do all this homesteading stuff and what animals I need. to just not spend so much stinking money at the grocery store. And yes, animals cost money. They cost to feed them. It costs to, get stuff for them to lay on and build the covers for them and all of this kind of stuff. But this is the kind of stuff that encourages Robert and I to do homesteading, because it's just ridiculous how much money we're spending at the grocery store. And half the time, it's not even like as quality as we'd like it to be. How do you know it's for sure 100% grass-fed, grass-finished? A lot of times they can get away with different things on the labels, but when you're doing it and raising it yourself, you know where it's coming from. You know the quality that is in it. So this is just one reason why we want so badly to do some homesteading and raise animals of our own. So let's go work on some things that will help make that happen. Wowzers.
Alright. Need you to push on that side?
What side? You helping? We got some screws. Oh, a whole bag of them. Going good. We got about half of the metal on top of there. This part's not finished yet. We have to get more different pieces of metal and then put them right there later on, but that's what we got so far.
Show them the inside?
Not yet. Alright, so here's this. We got the door. Open that up.
Alright, so we got our chicken coop on the inside here. We got 3 separate roosts. And then we got our laying boxes here, which you can access from the outside. You want to show them that?
Nope.
Rigel's
not happy.
We're gonna put a piece of tin here too, so it keeps it from the weather, but you can access it from the outside, which is kind of nifty.
We're gonna put a hook so you can hook that up as well.
Yep. And we'll put some rocks down so it's not quite as reach for us short people.
Yeah, we're short. We had to put some things to level out the ground here.
And that's it.
That's it. All right. Here we go! Ew! Ooh. Oh, Daddy's gonna drive us. Maybe. Ooh. Woo! What do you think of that? Are you unenthused right now? Woo! little bit scary and loud.
What is going on, y'all? We are grilling some chicken for the crew. I'm loading a gun, about to get some target practice in with the 9mm. Crystal and Rigel are getting their ear protection on, and it's gonna be good. Rigel's playing with the bullets.
I mean, it's definitely...
Can you hear with it or no?
No, it's muffled. But,
It's muffled.
but
We actually just bought some bedside gun safes that are like biometric, plus a key entry, plus a keypad entry, so we can have all of our handguns under lock and key around Rigel, because he's kind of getting to the point now where he's like into everything, opening up cabinets, opening up drawers. So those should be delivered here soon, and we shouldn't have to worry about him getting into any of our handguns for protection. So he's pretty cute with earmuffs on though. Check this out. What do you think, Raji? You like it?
he has little ones that we bought him, but I think they're getting a little bit too small, Robert said. Okay, it's gonna be loud, okay? Ready? Ready? It's gonna be loud. Woo-woo!
You good?
Good job, bud. Okay, you ready? Tell him it's gonna be loud, okay?
Be loud, Raji. It's the first one. There you go. What is going on, y'all? Let me bring you up to speed. We've had a pretty busy afternoon. I've been meal prepping for the crew. So we cook them food every week. We just cooked a whole bunch of chicken, and that's what's in all of these Tupperwares. So they are all squared away. I've also been grilling pork tenderloin for Crystal. Watch your head there, Reggie. And you good? And steak for Rigel. So his meals for the week are right there, a big old honkin' steak. And then we kind of cheated a little bit. Our plants that we planted from seeds with the starter kits are looking pretty rough. So while I was getting some more pellets at the grocery store, I picked up some parsley, some zucchini,
I feel like we
some
should
peppers,
explain.
and some cucumbers. I think I may have switched those labels though.
We have to explain ourselves because they were looking fantastic.
They were.
And we were getting ready to leave for KetoCon. We're like, we need to plant these before we leave for KetoCon. But the weather said that it was supposed to frost while we were gone. So we did not plant them. However, in the 4 or 5 days that we were gone, they all died.
Yeah.
And they had plenty of water. They probably didn't have as much sunshine as they should have had. But like, didn't think they were going to die over a couple days. And they 100% did. We tried to plant them and they look
Pitiful.
a wreck.
Pitiful.
Yeah, pitiful.
So we may show you how pitiful they look real quick, but they're pretty bad. So
They're pretty bad.
I bought these just so we can have some green in our planter boxes to give ourselves some hope. And Rigel is a terror today.
Yes, he is.
But talk to us about the chicken coop. Chicken coop's done.
The chicken coop is done. Now we just have to order chicks.
Boom. Also, I just got done changing oil in the truck, so it's got fresh oil in it. I'm going to eat dinner here soon, so Crystal's going to cook my dinner for tonight and start meal prepping. And that's all I've got up to date so far. All right, so here is my last meal for the day. I had a brick earlier, and this is the last meal. I've pretty much been doing this same meal for the past 4 weeks, and it's eggs, ground beef, butter cooked in butter with a can of smoked mackerel. So I've been having a brick earlier in the day, and I've been just putting the rest of my macros in this meal. And I've pretty much been increasing by 1 egg a week, and then dropping my heavy cream in the morning by a couple tablespoons to make sure my macros are on point. So I've been eating this large meal. Pro tip here, cook it in a cast iron skillet and then eat it out of that cast iron skillet so that it stays warm throughout your entire meal, which is amazing. So, about to eat this, and then we're gonna plant those little shrub things, those herbs and peppers and cucumbers and whatnot. Crystal's gonna keep meal prepping, and we will holler at y'all next time. Thank y'all for tuning in to our crazy Live Savage weekend vlog.